How to fix Sweat Wallet app login problem. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to fix your Sweat Wallet app when you are having login problems. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what we can do is to check if the Sweat Wallet app is updated. So what you want to do is just go open up your App Store or Play Store and then just search up for the Sweat Wallet app and check if it's updated. If it's not, update the app and then just open the app again and then try logging in. But if that doesn't work, what you can do is just go to your settings. After that, just scroll down, go to general, go to storage, and then once you're here, what you want to do is to just find the Sweat Wallet app. So once you found the Sweat Wallet app, what you want to do first is to offload the app. So basically what this does, this will free up storage used by the app, but keeps its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So what you want to do is just click on offload the app right here and then just reinstall the app and then open it up again and then try logging in again. But if that doesn't work, what you can do is to just delete the app. So just click on delete the app right here and then after that just reinstall the app again, open it up and check if you can log in. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix the Sweat Wallet app login problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.